So now let's work around with the bottom clothings and adjust them. So to work with that, I'm just going to go to the clothing tab right over here, and there's the bottoms after the tops, as you can see right over here. So once I click here, you can see that there's different bottoms that I can choose from. So I can choose something like a pant right over here. So if I were to choose that, you can see that it's more like a military look right over here. I can also go over here, so go for something like half pants right over here, and adjust it just like that. I can also go over here into flared mini skirt right over here, which is more like ladies thing right over here, just like that. So I'm just going to stick with this. So just like I would with tops, I can go over here and use this tool right over here to adjust it according to what I like. So let's say I want to change the shape of the frock right over here, just like that. I can just pull this out right over here and adjust it according to how I like. I can arrange this out, put this back right over here, really pull this out, make it crazy as well. Just like that, I can choose around the clothes right over here. So you can also go around and work around it with symmetrically as I would with the face as well. So you can see right over here, this is how it works. So you can turn off the vertices, not see it, or see the vertices and work around with it just like that. So that's how you just add in a frock right over here. You can also go into the customize section, and if you were to change the legs over here, let's say for example, if you were to change the leg short and everything else, what happens is that the frock get adjusted accordingly right over here, just like that. So you can go over here onto leg overall, and you can see that the frock readjusts onto the character right over here, just like that. And you want to see through it, through the clothing, you can see through the clothing all together just like that, and work around with the body. So this is how it works around for the whole clothing section. So that is how you can work around with the bottoms inside of Adobe Fuse. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.